Did you know a 52-week savings challenge can help you save money for an emergency fund if you don't have one? Yes, it can. All you have to do is join me in this 52-week savings challenge where we're taking small amounts of money. I mean small amounts of money. Every time we get some money, we're putting it away to the side and saving it, and it's adding up over time. All you need to do is be patient, consistent, and disciplined. Constantly adding to it and disciplined by not touching it. Yeah, so join me in this savings challenge that will really help you get emergency funds started if you don't have one. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025, let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that could use this content also? And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for your emergency fund, which is very important to have because they come and they can't be avoided. And we want to be ready. We want to have money to tap into. We don't want to have to run out and get one of these, and run up a bunch of these, okay? Because this is not free money. And we want to stay out of this. This is not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Yes. And we especially want to stay out of this. Okay? Yes. Especially. That is this here. Okay? Now, this is good because this can cause you to have passive income. It can help you be financially free. Okay? So yeah, we can do this, but not this. Okay? All right. So, I have 7 savings challenges. Today's savings challenge number 3, which I do on Wednesdays. And it is working with small amounts of money. See that? What is that? That small amount of money? Yeah. So what you need for this savings challenge is something like this, and this is considered cash stuffing. And you'll need this, a $10 bill every Wednesday. Okay? Now, this is a photo album that I got out of Dollar Tree, and this is not a sponsored video. And this one happened to have 50 pages. So once it's all stuffed with this and completed, it will be $500. Now we know we need to save up at least $1,000, and that will be our emergency fund. And that would only cover emergency up to $1,000. We don't want to, that will cover emergency up to $1,000, okay? So, but we don't want to stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses in case something like this happens. You want to still have money to be able to pay rent, mortgage, gas bill, electric bill, cell phone, car payment, insurance, car insurance, life insurance, buy food, take care of all your basic needs and necessities. And if you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses and something like this happens, you can still do that. Okay? All right. Yeah. Now, another thing that will help us, if we live on less than what we make, watch our spending, staying out of this, have good behavior with money, don't spend money like there's no tomorrow, because there is a tomorrow. And watch your spending. Those are things that can help you to save for an emergency fund. Okay? All right. And another thing that will help you, if you do whatever you can to try to come out of this, drive free of this. Okay? It is so nice and so good. I paid mine off last year, the beginning of January, the beginning of 2024. I can't remember the exact month. But this will help you. It will seem like you have a raise if you pay this off. And I don't care that my car is a 2018. As long as it's giving back and forth to A and B. You know, I basically just drive back and forth to work. Basically, I don't do a whole lot of driving, but I have reliable transportation, and that's the main thing. You know, I don't have to have a 2025, as long as my car is running. Okay, all right. And if you do whatever you can to come out of this, this will help you also. Okay. If we're in a bunch of this, it will keep us from being financially free, and we want to be financially free. You know, not only do we want to save for emergency, but we want to build wealth also. Okay? But that's a whole nother topic, whole nother video. Okay? So, let's go ahead and count and see how much those who have been following me with this particular savings challenge, have saved. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, that's 330, and then we're going to add this, so that'll make $340. Wow! So if you've been following me, you should have at least this amount of money, $340 saved, but you may have more, because you don't have to just do $10 bills. You can do $20 bills. You can do $100 bills. You can do $50 bills. Do whatever you can, okay? I'm just going with this to show you how when you take small amounts of money, every time you get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. And I've been doing this since the beginning of January 2025, and I did this last year, the whole year of 2024, and I completed it. Okay, so I started over in 2025 for anyone who wanted to join me in this particular savings challenge. Okay, now, if you can't find these in Dollar Tree, matter of fact, I was in there a couple weeks ago, and they had these again. They were in the section where the photo frames were. But if you can't find them there, you can go on Amazon. They sell photo albums like this, and some of them have 100 pages. Okay? All right. So if you have 100 pages, that will be $1,000 once you stuff all of them. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and record. Yes. Okay. So today is Wednesday, August 20th. And this is our photo album savings hack savings challenge. You put $10 in there, and the total amount is $340. So see how this is adding up? Yeah. So if you had emergency for $200, you have it. Now, while you're saving money, if you have an emergency, just go ahead and use it, and then just put the money back. Maybe try to double it. Okay? All right. Okay, so thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of it. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenge, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.